Start.
This is the Laser Pro 60-watt laser. The on switch is around on the right here, toggle switch. And the laser is actually controlled beyond that with a key here. First thing we want to do is allow it to home position, which it will do automatically. It will do that whether the door is open or closed, so you can see it goes all the way to the right, then it will come to the front and get a touch, and then it goes home. Once it's done that, it's ready to go. So, the first thing we want to do, this carriage should move easily. We're going to move the carriage to a central position. Put a piece of material under the head, and we're going to unscrew these 3 small screws and take off the cover. Inside is a lens and a mirror. The lens goes into this little track area right here. It should be relatively secure, and it has a bevel which goes to the left. The metal part goes up. We clean this. With a Q-tip and cleaning solution. 1 or 2 drops. You can scrub this fairly hard, but if it doesn't appear to come clean with just this cleaning, come get one of the instructors. We have a more aggressive cleaner that we can use also. So we clean it, try to get rid of any lint that's deposited by the Q-tip. Bevel to the left and into the little track. You'll see that it is actually possible to get it to go in above the track, but that will mess up your focus. So be certain that it's in that track. Then we loosen the mirror just a tiny bit, pull it out. You see that the mirror is offset. The upper portion is bigger. We're going to clean this with the same lens solution, but you do not rub it with anything. Use tissue made for lens cleaning. We let it soak in, capillary action, and then just draw it across. Do not try to rub it in any way, just let it draw right across, and that should clean it. You may have to do it once or twice, particularly if you leave behind a track of moisture. As you can see, it's nice and clean. The offset, there's a little shelf right here. Needs to go on that shelf, and then the top goes against the next shelf. If you don't loosen the screw too much, you'll probably feel it actually contact that screw, and then just lightly tighten it. Don't over tighten it. It's a tiny screw. And then we put these back. Once again, don't over tighten them, just snug. Now over here, down in, there's a mirror, another mirror right down here. And that's accessed from a little screw on the back. And then it pulls out. It's clean now, but if it were not, we would clean it the same way we clean the other lens. Once the machine is clean, we can put in our material and we have to focus it. This is an autofocus device. Notice it has tiny little pins on it. So you have to be very careful when you place it in here. These holes give you an alignment. Fit it on. Autofocus button right here. I press it, the machine comes up, gets focused. And now, come over here and see, it tells you it's auto-focusing. Please wait. You can wait all day. It's done, everything, once it makes that one movement. So we hit back, which is the F1 button. And it goes to an empty file. Remember to remove the autofocus pin and put it back where we don't lose it. Close the door and you're ready to transmit a file to the machine.